Hello guys, good evening guys. How are you? Good. Guys, thank you so much for your support to my video guys. I'm here cooking now vegetable. Only half cook because I need vegetable. Always fish and chicken. No vegetable. That's why I'm cooking now. See, too much this one. Only boiled only. This sweet potato leaves and I don't know the English this one. This helping gear, this one. Mix. See, only for half cook and then put it direct. This is life of W. How to make your body survive. We need healthy food sometimes, not always meat. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys.